Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In this video, I'm going to do the unboxing and initial impressions and setup on the Dizo wireless power Bluetooth headset. Yes friends, finally I did order yesterday in the Flipkart. Around price is about close to $9.99 as you can clearly see friends, and right now the price has been increased as well to $13.99. You can clearly see, so maybe in the first promotional sale only the offer was there for $9.99 and I was able to buy this product as well. Now let's do the initial unboxing of this Dizo wireless Bluetooth power headset, and I do have the other Bluetooth headsets with me from the Dizo wireless, which is the first headset which I did purchase, and even the Realme Buds wireless 2 also I do have with me. So later on in the next upcoming days I'll try to compare the gaming latency from this Dizo wireless power versus the Realme Buds wireless 2, and I'll be able to demonstrate about the experience of me using this product as well. So even regarding the sound quality and gaming experience, these are the two things which I'll try to focus especially in this Dizo wireless power. I'm going to do the quick unboxing, and the delivery was pretty fast friends from the Flipkart nowadays. It's kind of very fast, and here's the bill, and let me to open this one. You can see Dizo wireless power which we got here. The box is kind of slightly smaller than the previous wireless. As you can see, this is a slight small box which we got. That's kind of another thing. So you can clearly see friends, the size and everything has been decreased from the previous two right now. Maybe some cost cutting I think so, but still we can see that's kind of good. So here we do have all the specifications regarding the Bluetooth buds. You can see 11.2 mm bass boost drivers. That's kind of slightly upgrade. I think previous it used to be 11.2. It's same. It's kind of same kind of quality. Nothing much huge. I thought it's kind of upgrade, but that's not. So previously also the wireless Dizo used to have 11.2, 17 hours battery backup previously, but right now it increased it to 18 hours. Just only 1 hour got increased anyway. Super low latency of 88 milliseconds, noise cancellation for calls available. I think that's a kind of slightly additional which is there in this headset, noise cancellation for the calls. Let me do the quickly unboxing and do the setup using Realme application maybe if possible. Right now let's do the unboxing. And here we go. Let's see what are the box contents we do get here. And this is the blue color variant which I did order. As you can see, blue color variant, not bad, and which looks kind of pretty good because I'm really bored with this kind of black color anyway. So finally we got the blue color, and so we do have the Type-C port with this one. Type-C, that's another good advantage, and the table is kind of included in the box as well. Small cable you do get. And apart from that, we do get the ear caps as well. I think total 3 sizes will be there, 3 different sizes, and some kind of manual instructions. And I think let's keep aside. So let's try to power it on friends, and let's see what will be the experience of using this device. And let me try to open the Realme Link application in my other phone. So here's the Realme Link application, and let's click add it, and let's see scanning for nearby devices. So we're getting the indication, and we got the Realme Buds wireless 2, but we did not get this one, Dizo wireless. So let's select manually. Finally, I got the indication saying Dizo wireless power has been detected, and let me to connect it. So right now it's kind of establishing the connection. So we'll be able to see friends what are the things you should know about this gaming latency, and what are the settings we do have in this application. Those are the things which I'll try to demonstrate. And finally it's kind of connected successfully, and let me to remove this all the papers. And everything is done. Let's go back, and we should be able to see Dizo wireless power. Let's click agree. So let's see friends what are the settings we can actually access. We're not getting any kind of indication. And in the application it did mention that coming soon. So still it's not integrated into the Realme Link application friends. That's kind of completely strange. You can see it says coming soon. That's it. So okay, let's go to the Bluetooth settings and let's try to change to any kind of codec. Is there any possibility or not? no, there is no option to change any kind of codec in the settings. You can clearly see you're not getting any options here at this moment. So for example, some other options you'll be getting like high quality audio, something like this. We can actually expect even high quality audio from the Realme Buds Wireless 2, but nothing is happening in this one. And high quality even with other AirPods as well, but this Dizo wireless powered, you can see here we are not getting that kind of message saying high quality, something like that. So well friends, this is a quick demonstration and initial setup review of this Realme Link. But anyway, even if you connect to the Realme Link, there is nothing much useful because you cannot access the Realme Link application. But regarding the build quality, it feels kind of slightly very similar. I think little bit kind of design got changed, the texture, that's it. Apart from that, I did not notice any kind of much improvement, but this button got separated from the middle, so that's kind of pretty good and neat, I can definitely say that. So let's check the weight of this complete product, how much it actually weighs around. It's kind of interesting to see. This complete product weighs around 27 grams, not bad, that's kind of pretty good. So when compared with the previous Dizo, let's see what is about the previous Dizo, which weighs around 24 grams, slightly kind of increased from 24 to 27 grams, little bit. So this is a quick demonstration, friends, of the initial unboxing and setup as well, everything. So setup was completely very smooth and fast, nothing much major problems. And let me do the quick demonstration of the game. And next thing I did notice is that the connection speed is also pretty fast. For example, right now as you can see, so as soon as the magnet attached, the connection got disconnected. And let me as you can see, now try to observe the phone, the connection has been established automatically. That's pretty fast regarding the connection speed overall. So now let me demonstrate the audio, how experience of using this both earphones. So this is a demonstration using with the music, and later I'll try to do the gameplay test as well. Now let me open the gameplay test and let's do the gameplay review as well while shooting and while firing. Is there any kind of difference we can actually see in this device or not? Let's start the match. And there is one more mode which is called the gaming mode. So when you try to triple press the button, that will automatically change the game mode. That's what I'm going to demonstrate using that mode. Now the match has been begun, and now let's check how is the latency going on. So I'll try to do the triple press the button as well, and I'll try to show you with and without gaming mode. So what's the latency is after selecting some gun at this moment. And this is just only day one of usage, friends. Definitely I'll try to come back with a complete review very soon. So stay tuned for those in-depth videos, which I'll try to upload as soon as possible on this device. Very soon I'll try to upload. So sorry for the background disturbance what you're getting because of surroundings. Since it is morning time, I was unable to capture this kind of very good audio, but don't worry, I'll try to do the next in-depth testing. So right now try to observe the latency. let me need to press the table button. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this. A quick initial impressions of the Dizo wireless power. Very soon I'll ready to do the in-depth testing as well on this one. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested on this Dizo wireless power. So meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned and bye.